driving around like it's all pretty and shit.
What's that word again, Ricky?
What?
You what?
I. You like my new Jeep?
It's party.
Thank you. I think it's pretty too. I think it's pretty fucking cute.
Why don't you get in and take it for a test drive?
I should drive it around. Look how pretty it is. Did you see me in it, Eddie? I already see myself in it. Whoa, it's so fucking fast, the steering wheel came apart. Woo! It's the nitrous. It's the nitrous. Hey! What the hell's going on? Help me, I'm gonna get out of here. This is the ejector seat. Don't leave your steering wheel without it.
Yeah, I would be able to get the steering wheel with you.
Hey, yeah, that's my anti-theft device. Watch out. Wow. Put the fucking super secret fucking ejector seat back on. You hit the alarm.
Yep. Yeah, I'm surprised they took that. Well, I see why they took the top bars above the windshield thing off. Because they needed to get a fix on it.
It's safety for when I'm driving. What you know about that, huh? What you know about that? Oh, you want to see Memphis? That's Memphis. Grandma?